Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the Discover It Secured Card Graduation Review. This card is a fantastic tool for establishing or rebuilding your credit. The ultimate goal is to graduate to an unsecured card, which means you've demonstrated responsible credit behavior. We'll cover how this review works, what to expect, and how it can benefit your financial journey. It's an important step towards greater financial freedom. Discover's graduation review process is designed to be straightforward. Generally, after about 7 months of responsible card use, your account will be automatically reviewed. Discover assesses your payment history, looking for consistent, on-time payments and a low credit utilization ratio. There's no need to apply. If you meet their criteria, they will initiate the graduation to an unsecured card for you. It's a seamless transition. Graduating from the Discover It Secured card offers several excellent benefits. First and foremost, your security deposit, which could be $200 or more, is fully refunded to you. You'll then have a standard, unsecured credit card with a credit limit, reflecting your improved creditworthiness. This positive change can also help boost your credit score, opening doors to better financial products in the future. It's a rewarding milestone. To maximize your chances of a successful graduation, focus on a few key practices. Always make your payments on time, every single month. Aim to keep your credit utilization low, ideally below 30% of your credit limit. For example, if your limit is $500, try to keep your balance under $150. Regularly monitoring your credit report can also help you stay on track. These habits build strong credit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.